Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open Google Shopping and enter the product name or model into the search bar. Use precise keywords like brand, model number, or color for best results. Use filters for price range, brand, shipping speed, and condition to narrow results. Choose a price range and toggle free shipping when available to save money. Sort results by relevance, price, or best match to find the best options. Scan thumbnail images and brief specs before opening detailed listings for efficient browsing. Tap an item to view seller listings, price, shipping cost, and estimated delivery days. Compare identical items across merchants to spot lower prices or faster shipping options. Check seller ratings and read recent reviews to judge reliability and service quality. Note shipping costs and estimated delivery days to compare total landed price. Look for coupons, bundle deals, and merchant return policies to lower total cost. Save promising listings to a comparison list or bookmark for one final review before buying. Choose the seller listing, select options, and click Buy or Visit Store to proceed to checkout. Confirm product color, size, quantity, and any warranty options before continuing to payment. Pay with saved card, Google Pay, or enter new payment details during secure checkout. Review the final total, including tax and shipping fees, and apply any coupon codes you found. Track the order from the confirmation page and check email updates for shipment status. Keep receipts and start returns within the seller's 30-day policy when needed for refunds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.